friend, today in this video we will see that how you can simply configure product attributes in Odoo. So if you want to create a new attribute in Odoo, what you need to do, you will just start typing attribute. So it will land you onto the attribute page, and here we already have some attribute available like brand and color. So for example, if you want to create a new attribute for the sizes, so I will just click here new, and here I would say size, and we can use these options that how it should be displayed at the time of creating your item. Either it should be radio button, it should be pulse, select, or the colors. And after that you have the option that whenever these attributes are selected on item, it should instantly create the variants, or it should never create the variants. So you can use this option. And if you are using the e-commerce on your Odoo, so you can use this option that it should either be visible on the e-commerce store or it should be hidden. So after that configuration, what you need to do, you need to provide the values. Like for example, I can have small, medium, and large. So once I have provided these values for the attributes, I can save this record. So now you can see that size attribute is created, and now if you want to create a product and you want to use the attributes for the product, so it will be available for creating a variant for that product. Like we have the sizes, and now you can see small, medium, and large available. And once we will select this, so after selecting, when we will save this item, so it will automatically create variant for small, medium, and large, whatever has been selected here. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us.